I'm a pastry chef. Baking, for me, has always been more than just a profession. It's my creative escape, a sanctuary where flour, sugar, and butter become the mediums for my imagination. In the rhythmic motion of kneading dough or the delicate piping of frosting, I find a sense of peace that the chaos of the outside world can't touch. It's a process that demands my full attention, a mindful practice that quiets the noise in my head and allows me to focus purely on the craft at hand. Each recipe is a blank canvas, and every ingredient is a splash of color, waiting to be transformed into something that not only tastes delicious, but also tells a story. The kitchen is my studio. The scent of vanilla extract and melting chocolate is my muse. Here, I can experiment, take risks, and push the boundaries of traditional pastry. Whether it's infusing a classic crème brûlée with unexpected notes of lavender, or constructing a multi-layered cake that defies gravity, the thrill of creation is what drives me. It's a deeply personal journey. I pour my emotions into my work. A joyful celebration might inspire a vibrant, fruit-filled tart, while a more contemplative mood could lead to a rich, dark chocolate torte with complex, bittersweet layers. This translation of feeling into flavor is the very essence of my art. The process begins not with measuring cups, but with an idea, a fleeting image, or a specific feeling I want to evoke. I sketch out designs, picturing how the final creation will look, feel, and taste. Will it be light and airy, or dense and decadent? Will the flavors be bold and surprising, or comforting and familiar? These questions guide my hands as I select my ingredients, each chosen for its unique character and potential. The precise chemistry of baking, the way gluten develops, sugar caramelizes, and eggs emulsifies, the science that underpins the magic. But it's the intuition, the little adjustments made by touch and sight, that elevates a good pastry into a great one. There's a profound satisfaction in seeing raw, simple ingredients come together to form something beautiful and intricate. The transformation is almost alchemical. Watching a batter rise in the oven, seeing a glaze set to a perfect mirror shine, or assembling delicate sugarwork, these moments are filled with a quiet sense of accomplishment. It's a tangible result of my effort and vision. Unlike so many other aspects of life that can feel abstract or uncertain, a finished pastry is a concrete testament to a process completed, a vision realized. Ultimately, the greatest joy comes from sharing what I've created. A pastry is not complete until it's experienced by someone else. The look on a person's face when they take that first bite, the surprise, the delight, the moment of pure, unadulterated pleasure is the final, most rewarding step in my creative process. It's in that shared experience that the escape becomes a connection. I'm not just making a dessert. I'm crafting a moment of happiness, a small, sweet respite from the everyday. And in doing so, my personal escape becomes an offering, a way to bring a little bit of beauty and joy into the world, one pastry at a time. This is why I bake. This is my craft. I'm a pastry chef.